Hello, my name is Ms. Kovacs, and I'm going to be the math teacher for the 2018-2019 school year at West Park Community Middle School. I have 9 years working as a combination of a general education teacher teaching math and a number of other subjects, and as an intervention specialist. This year in math class for 6th grade, we're going to be running a flipped classroom model. What this means is that we're going to take the traditional classroom model and we're going to do it differently. So in a traditional class, students come in, they expect to sit down, hear a lecture about the topic, get some practice in at school, and then take some homework home to get the rest of the practice in on their own. In the model that we're going to use this year, students are going to have homework the night before class starts. So they're going to have a video that's going to be assigned to them that they are going to watch the night before. That video is going to teach the students about the topic that we're going to be talking about in class the next day. Students are also going to have a form or some kind of way to answer questions that they're going to be using to make sure that they're paying attention to the video, making sure that they know if they have any questions or anything along those lines. That's going to be turned in that night. When the students come into class the next day, they're going to see feedback on their homework, so they'll be able to get feedback as they walk in the door, if not sooner. And then students are as a class, we're going to go over the topic. We're going to have a quick review of what the students learned the night before, and then we're going to split into small groups. And when we split into small groups, students are going to be able to explore the topic with me right there in groups of about 6 to 7 students per group. This is something that will allow students to get more practice, to get more feedback, to get more individualized feedback, and will also allow students to be able to get to practice some topics more independently as they're in the other small groups while I'm working with the other small groups. So students will have videos assigned for homework this year for math class. There are a number of ways to contact me. However, contacting me on my YouTube channel, which is probably what you're watching right now, my YouTube channel is Kovacs Math, that's one word. Contacting me on this channel is not the best option. I do not see things very quickly on this site. However, contacting me through my school email, through Class Dojo, calling up the school, those are all wonderful ways to get a hold of me. I'm very excited about what's going to be happening this year. I'm also very excited for the first week. The 6th grade team has been working very hard to make sure that we have a very exciting week. We're going to be working on team building skills. We're going to be doing some physical activities and some just kind of getting to know you activities. We're going to be watching Remember the Titans, and we're going to be talking about that and about how team building comes from that. We're also going to be completing a learning survey so that we can kind of get to know you as students and know how best to approach the lesson that we're going to be teaching. And we are also going to be getting laptops at some point. Should be pretty early this year. However, please be aware, laptops will not be going home immediately. So that's a good thing to kind of be aware of. This does mean that students will not be getting video homework assigned right away in class. Don't worry, it will be coming. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to spin you, and I'm going to give you a quick preview of the classroom. So you can see the boards behind us. We have a makerspace over there, which I'm very excited to start exploring. And you can see how the classroom is set up, how we have small groups of, well, you can kind of see how we have small groups of student desk setups. We have this clock, that one that I'm going to be revolving through and working with students in small groups for about 20 to 25 minutes a day. So I'm very excited to get to know you and get to know the students this year. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get a hold of me, and I look forward to a great year. Thank you very much.